In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can get the V2 sword for True Manipulator, aka the Aizen Sword, here in Sailor Piece and Roblox. Before you do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you had any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. First things first, go ahead and make your way over to any of the teleporters and teleport specifically to Soul Dominion. If you don't have Soul Dominion unlocked, you obviously need to go ahead and unlock it first. But once you have Soul Dominion, make your way towards this area. And what you're looking for is the Quincy NPCs. You essentially just need to farm these NPCs over and over and over and over and over again. There is a ton of them, so just keep in mind you're going to be farming for a second. But these guys are going to drop the materials that you pretty much need in order to do everything. After farming, you need to go to the True Manipulator Summoner, which is right behind this little building over here. So make your way over to the True Manipulator Summoner. And of course, once you do this, you essentially need to turn in items like a Chrysalis Sigil to spawn or access it. And then of course, these are the requirements. The Transcendent Being title. You have to own Manipulator, 35k gems, an Evolution Fragment, Transcendent Cores, 8 Divinity Essences, and, some Fusion Rings as well. Here's what I'm currently missing. But that is the full process. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. Let us know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.